Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to use a roof rake to help you prevent ice jams and leaks in your roof. Come with me as I show you how.
Ice jams are typically caused by thawing and refreezing of a heavy snow load on a roof. Typically this happens on the edge of the roof where it's at an overhang that's uninsulated.
You want to extend this as long as you can, keeping an eye out for any wires that may be overhead. And all you're going to do is pull the snow forward. You don't need a whole lot off of the roof.
This will allow the water to run off instead of creating a giant ice dam. The trick to using a roof rake is allowing the weight of the rake itself to break through the top layer of snow. And then just using the momentum that you create to pull the snow down. If you've ever had to deal with an ice jam before, you know what a pain that is. So staying on top of it by using a roof rake will save you in the future. Now this is just so that you can see how much you want to be taking off. Only a few layers of shingles going up the roof. You don't need to go as high up as you can. If you find this helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment. Have a great day, everyone.